Welcome to the Mercure Icon Singapore City Centre, the largest Mercure hotel in the world. Should you stay here, let us show you around the property, give you a tour of our room, and tell you all you need to know. First off, let's start with the Mercure Icon Singapore City Centre's location. It is situated on the edge of Chinatown and makes for a great base to explore the city. You can walk into Chinatown in less than 5 minutes, as well as to Maxwell Food Center, home to the famous Tian Tian chicken and rice food stall, and the incredible Lau Pa Sat Hawker Center and Satay Street is barely 5 minutes away too. The hotel is directly connected to the Telok Air MRT station on the downtown line via a walkway that has a number of eateries, so you don't even need to go outside to be on the train. Telok Air is just 2 stops from Marina Bay Sands, so you can be there in less than 10 minutes. It's also a short walk away from Maxwell MRT station on the Thomson East Coast Line, as well as Chinatown MRT, which is on the same line as Telok Air, plus the Northeast Line. Overall, we could not fault the location of the Mercure Icon Singapore City Centre. It's close to 3 MRT stations, walkable to a number of great hawker centers, restaurants, and bars, and overall makes for the perfect base to explore the city from. Next up, let's take a look at the hotel's impressive facilities. While it's the largest Mercure in the world, with 989 rooms, it really didn't feel like it. The hotel only opened in April 2024, so it's very modern and has clearly been well designed. And the bright entrance and reception always felt busy, but never too overwhelming. There is a cafe on the ground floor, while the main hotel facilities are on floor 2. Up here, there is a 24-hour gym, which is compact but has everything you'd need for a good workout. There's also the Shara Brasserie, which serves breakfast and dinner, catering for Asian and European tastes. Right by the exit to the stunning garden and pool area is a handy water and ice machine as well as free towels. The pool is accessible by this well-maintained garden area that was always spotlessly clean, and we must say we loved spending time out here. It's an adults-only pool and is open from 7 in the morning all the way until 9 p.m. It's a huge size, so it's great for getting your laps in if you enjoy swimming, while there is also a jacuzzi area in the pool too. There are plenty of sunbeds for chilling out on, as well as some exercise machines, which we thought was a cool touch. The hotel also runs free yoga sessions, which take place on the wellness deck on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 7 until 8 a.m. There are certainly better views from higher-up rooftop pools in Singapore, and we did notice that the sunbeds were rarely in the shade, but apart from that, we were really impressed by the Mercure's pool area and enjoyed our time relaxing here first thing in the morning and after a day out exploring the city. Next up, let's take a look at our room at the Mercure Icon Singapore City Centre. We didn't do a great deal of research before booking this hotel and were initially surprised by how small our room was, which was a classic queen balcony room. It certainly is on the small side, but we were still impressed considering the price we paid, around 250 Singapore dollars per night, when you take into account the hotel's location and facilities. The bed was extremely comfortable, and it came with a big flat-screen TV, a desk and chair for working, a safe hanging space for clothes plus a mini fridge. You also get good tea and coffee making facilities, as well as some slippers. It was great to have a balcony too, as we spent a lot of time sitting out admiring the view. We would definitely recommend paying extra for a balcony as not all rooms have them. The main room is small and the bathroom is even more compact, but it was modern, clean, and the shower was very good. Plus, it comes with all the products you'd need. The sink area is in the main bedroom section and is perfectly fine. Plus, it comes with a drinking water tap. Yes, the room is small, but for a location this good at this price, we think it is absolutely fine. So to conclude our full and honest review of the Mercure Icon Singapore City Centre, we can definitely recommend this hotel. It has an almost unbeatable location, and it is very good value for money when you weigh up the location, as well as the room, pool area, gym, and facilities. If you're seeking a luxury stay or a stunning 50th floor rooftop pool, then maybe this isn't for you, but we think it's a great budget option for a wide range of travelers wanting to easily explore the city and return to a clean, modern, and safe base that has everything you'd need. Have you stayed here, or are you thinking of booking the Mercure Icon Singapore City Centre? Let us know in the comment section below. If you found this review useful, please leave this video a like. It really helps out the channel, and be sure to subscribe for more honest hotel reviews and other travel videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.